Hey traders, welcome to another video brought to you by ZeroToHeroTrader.com, giving you the tools and the confidence to take on the markets in any environment and take your trading from zero to hero. Let's get started.
Hello guys, this is Trader Rob, and today is actually just today is where I'm recording is July 13th, which is a Saturday, and I'm recording my recap of on July 12th, which was a Friday. So today I made $552 today, and I'm going to show you the trades I took and the reasoning behind it. So hopefully this will give you some insight, how I trade and how I make my money. On SPY, I took a couple of trades, so let me show you. Believe 300. All right, at the market open, I saw SPY was dropping, so I took 300 SPY puts. I took 20 contract at 55 cents and 55.5 cents. And I sold it 1 minute later for 59 cents. So I made a quick $70 on that trade right here. And then I took another one at 10:12 and I sold it literally maybe around 10-12 minutes later for 2 cents scalp. So the reason we're here, I personally didn't like this chop, as you can see. That's why I just wanted to get out of it, and I'd rather get out of it at even like a 1 cent or 2 cents profit rather than trying to take a loss. My commissions are really great, where the round trip only cost me somewhere around 1 cent, and that's because I trade a lot. And if you speak to your broker, a lot of time they can help you out with that as well. So on this one I made a quick 70 bucks. This one I made a quick 40 bucks. And let me see on the call side. And if you're looking this and this look like a Christmas tree, that's because that's an indicator I like to use. It shows me the momentum because I'm a momentum trader. The green candles are showing me the bullish momentum. Red candles are showing me bearish momentum. Obviously, we have a very custom script that is going to be on our website soon for sale, that you can take advantage of that. Right here, I bought 10 contracts at 65 cents. I sold them for 69 cents. Made a quick $40 profit within 1 minute. And over here, I bought it for 59 cents, 20 contracts, and I sold it for 63 cents. So quick $80 profit right there. I believe I also traded 301 puts for SPY. There we go. And this is I bought it for $1.13 something. 20 contract. I sold it for maybe like 12 minutes later for a little less than 4 cents, so somewhere around like $70 to $80 profit right there on that trade. I also played at Amazon for a quick one. Friday the options are pretty cheap on Amazon, but obviously the time decay is real on that. So you really have to be in and out, and you have to catch that momentum. So you can see the momentum was going up. I got it at 4.470, which is $470. Next minute I got out of it at $530. So quick $60 profit in 1 minute or 2 minutes. Let me see what else that I traded. I traded BA. This was just based on a quick news. I heard I think like the flight from Vancouver or Canada or something, was that today or I forget it, but it was a bad news that came regarding BA stock. and I bought this one, put contract for $133. 2 minutes later, I sold it for $185. So that was a quick $52 profit I made. And I'm also experimenting with something new. But my style is to just let's scalp it first to see if it really works. If it works, maybe then I can try to maybe do like a longer term play and everything. This one was a quick 10 contract I bought on Bud call. What is it called? 88 calls. I sold a couple of minutes later, maybe 5 minutes later, for 5 cents profit right here on this one, half the contract, and the next half contracts for 8 cents profit. Altogether around $65 profit in probably like less than 5 minutes. Then let me see what else I traded. So this is the one that I should have really done a longer term play, and I really saw the squeeze happening, but I just could not be in front of a computer to monitor the whole time because I had to go. And let me show you what I saw. So obviously we got a long signal right here telling me on the call side that I should buy it, and obviously I bought it like a 1 minute later for $1.50. 10 contract, that's $1,500, and I sold it 3-4 minutes later, half the contracts for $155. Then the next candle it sold the remaining half for $160. So quickly made what is it, $75, which is I think 5% on the $1,500 in less than 5 minutes. So 5% in less than 5 minutes. That's nice, but obviously not as nice as it could be if I actually held it all the way. As you can see, that it went from $1.50 all the way to $375. So that's almost like 2.5 times. So even if I hold it to maybe like let's say $3 right here, that would have been 100% profit. I could have taken that $1,500 and I could have turned that into a $3,000, which I didn't. So but at least at the end of the day, I'm green is green. So let me tell you what I saw. Let me go back to the timing. So it was around 10:30. 10:30. So obviously this is a short in the morning time. 10:30. So the white line right here on my graph is a VWAP. And you can see a nice U-shape pattern forming. And when I saw that thing is above VWAP and I'm getting my long signal, and it's above the the where the day started, where it opened up, right away I know it's squeezing the shorts. And this is one of those stocks that people like to short a lot and they get squeezed a lot. So right here I saw it and I entered, and I think that's it. You can see right here I got out right here based on my script. I enter, I got out of it, and it just kept on squeezing. You see, like everything is just like green. It's telling you the signal to just go in and go in. Right here, the momentum tried to die out, try to give a short signal, but that was, you can see right here. If you follow the script, you really would not have lost a lot because it's telling you to get out. See right here? And this is actually not that much. So you really would not have lost your pants, if you want to call it. And if you look on the daily, you can also see some support and resistance. See right here? You can see like this is majority of the resistance. So when I saw that thing and when I saw the candle, how it was looking at the daily at that point, where it was seemed like a long wick from the bottom, and just like with the pretty much breaking these short-term resistance. And the most important, my script right here, just keep telling it, just showing that thing that it's just squeezing higher and higher. So that's pretty much how I made $552 today on those tradings. Hopefully you got something out of it, how I trade, why I trade. Well, not really why I trade, but why I take some of the trades. And it does seem like a foreign language to you, or if you don't really get a lot of the things that you're looking at it, I would just say be patient, watch more and more of the videos that we are coming up with. We are trying to explain things in details, because if you're an advanced trader, you understand all that. Because if you're a new trader, you're just looking at this probably look like a Christmas tree to you, because you just got like red, green, and all those things. To me, right here, I just like to have a couple of indicators. I don't like to have a lot of indicators. Don't even really use MACD. I just like to use volume. That's what I like to look for, and I like to use my own script and support and resistance. Sometimes I like to draw it, sometimes I don't draw it, eyeball it. Support and resistance are key. Breakout is a very strong pattern. You got to know when the support is cracking or when it's breaking through the resistance. And this script, pretty much capture everything. This makes everything very easy for you to understand. Alright guys, I'm going to end the video over here, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.
Hey, as always, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. If you really like the video and you want more, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And if you want, you can hit us up on Twitter at Zero to Hero Trader, or Instagram at the same. And if you're not in the Discord, go ahead and check the description for a link to that free Discord chat. Okay guys, see you in the next video. Peace.